Ayan, so we're now live with our first game of the day. And so again, this is the Crossfire Elite League 2017 Season 1 and this is the second day. So ayan, first game natin for today at ganadong-ganado naman. Mukhang ganadong-ganado naman ako at kayo. And I will be your caster for the whole day and I am GM Astral as usual. Ayan, so tingnan naman natin kung sino ang bagong players natin at sino ang teams natin na sasabak for our first match. And so taking a look at the teams we have here for the Blacklist, this is War Gods Terrovania. And for the Global Risk, we have G1 Esports AC Gaming. Ayan. So, malinaw naman ba lahat? Rinig nyo naman ba ako? Rinig nyo naman ba ang laro? Klaro-klaro ba? And so, taking a look at the lineup, ipakilala muna natin sila ulit dahil ngayon lang sila sasabak. Actually, isang team ngayon lang sasabak. So, for the Blacklist, we have War Gods Terrovania with the captain, that's RJ. Member is Nietz, Jollibee, Adobo, and Elmar X. Ayan, so substitute account. And for G1 Esports AC Gaming, again, we still have here Troa, Sai, Angjay, Recon, and Modern. Ayan, so ngayong araw lang natin sila nakita kasi wala silang laban kahapon. Ayan, so both teams have their 6 months present at the moment. Ayan, so wala yung mga original 5 lineup nila, which is Alvin DKM for WGT and G for G1. So, andyan naman si Adobo at saka si Recon. Ayan, buti na lang, di ba? Kaya mahirap talaga pag wala kang 6 months sa team, eh di iyak kayo kung sakali. And so, looking at the scores, the score is now 0-2 in favor of G1. And the map is Port. So we have Troa here as the sniper of G1 ACG, and formerly known as Parak and is now on AC Gaming, but is still under G1. Ha? Here we have Troa at the bridge on the way to the B site. Samantalang si Recon andito sa top ng A site. So, technically, ang top talaga ng A site, mas prefer yan for sniper. Kasi kitang-kita mo yung dulo ng long A. Pero, ang diskarte nito ni G1, they have here Recon. Ayan. Mukhang mangraratrat si Recon dito sa taas ng A site. So, nagsiset up muna siya dyan sa gilid. Of course, nag-aantay ng lilitaw sa LA. So, last 3 players for ACG and 4 HP left for Angjay. With 1 headshot from Angjay, that's a nice shot. Last one standing, we have Elmar Exo yan, si Kiki. We have 1 point for ACG. The score is now 0-3.
Let's do this. Fire in the hole!
Bagsak si Angjay here at the Zay with a kill coming from Jollibee. Tignan natin kung bibida ba ang saya ngayong araw. On the way here on the B side, we have Troa and Modern versus Jollibee and Adobo. May Adobo ba sa Jollibee? Parang wala naman, no? RJ here at the mid. With the finish coming from Recon, it's already 0-4 as the standing.
Let's do this.
together with Adobo. Mukhang mag-bad itong dalawang to. Here at the J.
Fire in the hole! Flash bomb! Smoke and grenade!
And is now on the bridge, on the way to the LA. Mukhang may balak atang mag-rush itong WGT on the A site. We have here the sniper of Terrovania. So almost, but no. So Elmar is down. Let's take a look at Adobo na mukhang wala pang napapatay.
Mission success. Blacklist.
We have 1 point for the blacklist.
Flash bomb! Let's do this.
2 minutes and 23 seconds. We are now on our 6th game. A total of 9 games before we switch sides. So by the way guys, remind ko lang kung sino ang unang maka 10 points between these teams will be considered as the winner of the first map bago tayo lumipat sa second map. Ayan. So may second map pa tayo. Bali, 0.5 ang point kada mapa. One minute and 51 seconds. We have Recon here at top of the A site. And taking a look at the stats, mukhang napakabilis ng ating first round sa ating first map. With most of the frags going to RJ for Terrovania and Troa, the sniper, for ACG. We have a triple kill from Sai. Yan, formerly known as Batasai. Mukhang bumaliktad with a kill from Jollibee. Last one standing, RJ, the captain of Terrovania, with 1 kill, with 3 more to go. With a double kill from RJ.
Mission fail. Global risk win.
We have 1 point for AC Gaming.
Let's do this. Fire in the hole!
We have G1 Ang here at the B side. Mukhang nagbabalak mag-rush itong WGT here on the B side. Of course, mukhang mabilis mag-respond ang team ng G1. He's now on the way to the B site.
Double kill!
We have a double kill from Ang.
Flash bomb!
Throwing a flash, bumalik ang flash. Sayang. Last one standing yet, so we have 1 point again going to AC Gaming.
Let's do this. Fire in the hole! Focus bomb!
2 minutes and 16 seconds. We are on our 8th game.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Recon is still here at the top of the A site. Tignan naman natin ang port. And so if I were to ask you, so saan ba kayo nadadalian? Sa pagpasok sa B or pagpasok sa A?
I need a flash bomb!
Mas mabilis kasing marush ng A site kung tutuusin.
A site.
Yan. Go Idol Batasay from Lindon.
Mission fail. Global risk win.
We have 1 point again for ACG. It's already 1-7 as a score. Let's have our last game before we switch sides. So this is the 9th game. Tignan natin kung aangat ba ng 1-8 or aangat ba ng 7-2.
Flash bomb! Fire in the hole! Headshot!
Have one headshot from Sai. Jollibee, we have a double kill from Angjay. It's 2 versus 2. Last one standing, Angjay of G1, who is here at the house B and is on the B side. Ayan, from Kaylee Blair, go G1. So let's change sides. Yeah, so getting back to the game, we now have Wargod Sterovania on the global and G1 ACG on the blacklist.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
So let's show the previous score. And so we have 7 points earlier for G1 and 2 points for Tero.
Fire in the hole!
So last 3 points actually for G1 AC Gaming
Fire in the
to
hole!
get the first map. RJ here inside the house. We have a kill from Recon, Modern and Recon here at the B site. 1 point for the blacklist.
Move out now! Smoking grenade! Smoking grenade!
Ayan, go G1 from Marco Ruiz. Go Budek, go RJ, go Elmar from Nika. Ayan, bawi lang daw. Pero from Mark Extreme.
Fire in the hole!
It's a 4 versus 3. We have Elmar here at top of the A site with 1 kill.
Fire in the hole!
With still 100 HP with nice headshot. 2 versus 2 with a double kill coming from Elmar. Last one standing, we have here Sai below the A site versus Jollibee. Let's see kung kaya bang i-clutch ni Sai ang dalawang members from the Global Risk. So we have Jollibee. Waiting for Sai to enter on the A site. Let's take a look at the map. Mukhang medyo nasa bandang mid itong si Sai while we have members of the Global Risk on top of the A site with the C4 on the A site. Medyo may hirapang pumasok ngayon si Sai dito sa taas with 51 seconds remaining. So the only way to plant the C4, actually you don't need to plant the C4 anymore. You just need to kill
Mission
two
failed.
members of the
Global
Global
Risk
Risk. And so score is now 8-3.
Let's do this.
Yan, parang kahapon lang yan.
Smoking
Ba't
grenade.
ka pa magtatanim ng bomba kung pwede mo namang ubusin yung
Fire in the
kalaban?
hole. Smoking grenade.
So this is the sixth man of ACG who is on the LA. Mukhang forte ata ito ni Recon na bantayan ang A site. So pwestuhan niya yan. Yung mga ganyan talaga, syempre kung saan yung gamay mong pwesto, kung yung alam mong taguan, syempre doon ka magbabantay.
Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
Diba? Bantayan mo yung para sa'yo. Ganun yun. So, it's 5 versus 4 with 1 minute and 42 seconds sa Ang J here at the entrance of the Z.
Flash bomb. B-site.
So, mukhang papuntang mid. Ayan, change of mind on the way to Z. Mukhang i-rush ata nitong G1 papasok ng B site.
B-site.
Still, we have 5 members complete for G1 ACG. So we have Nietz on the way. On top of the A site, 1 man down for G1. That's Sai, formerly known as Batu Sai.
Bomb has been planted at B-site.
Yan. From John Bryan, ACG, itatag nyo na ang bandila ng tagumpay.
Mission success. Black.
We have 1 point again for ACG. Last 1 point for AC Gaming to conquer the first map.
Move out now. Smoking grenade.
Wait sila, mag-comeback daw si Alvin. Mukhang wala si Alvin.
Fire in the hole.
So that's 1 minute and 56 seconds.
Fire in the hole.
We have 1 kill from Jollibee here at the B
Fire in
site.
the hole.
So we have Kimmy here on the bridge.
Flash bomb.
We have 1 headshot coming from Kimmy. And back to the bridge. It's a 2 versus 3. We have 2 members of G1 on the LA. Kaso mukhang nagbago ang isip. Last one standing. Again, we have Sai. Lagi nilang si Sai ang natitira. Nasabugan ng flash.
Mission failed. Global
That's
risk.
1 point for Terrovania.
Let's do this. Smoking bomb.
Fire in the hole!
Flash bomb.
Smoking bomb!
It's a 5 versus 5. We are on our 5th game. We have Adobo on top of the A site. Mukhang nagbabalak
Fire in the hole.
mag-rush itong G1
Smoking bomb.
going to A. One minute and 41 seconds. Ang J here on the Z. Last 4 members for G1 ACG.
Flash bomb. Flash bomb.
So 4 versus 5. We have a 1 kill from Angzay and 1 headshot from Nietz. It's a 2 versus 4. Last 2 players, Recon and Modern. With a headshot from Modern. And last one standing.
Double kill.
With a double kill. Let's wait for War Gods to defuse the C4.
Bomb has been defused.
Yeah, G1 go! Wag na from Princess Anne. Ayan, nice yan, kaya yan. Pasok Tero from Nika.
Smoking bomb. Flash bomb.
So hati ang fans here at the live stream.
Smoking fire in the hole.
So Trowa, the sniper, still here on the respawn site. Yeah, mukhang change of weapon who is now using an M4A1 OBC. We have 1 kill from Trowa.
Fire in the hole.
Nasa cut A ang WGT.
Fire in the hole.
So we have a double here at the cut
Fire in
A.
the hole.
Throwing a bomb on the LA. Last one standing, Jollibee.
Bomb has been planted at each site.
Last 1 point for G1.
Blacklist.
G1 takes the first map.
Flash bomb. Fire in the hole.
So looking at the map, andito na naman tayo sa walang sawang sub-base. And so let's take a look. We have here G1 AC Gaming for the Blacklist and War Gods Terovania for the Global Risk.
Smoking grenade.
And so 1 minute and 40 seconds. We have Troa, the sniper, here at the bench. Saktong-sakto with a nice shot coming from Troa. Ayan, ayan na. Comeback from Uncle Ado. Yan, go Batok from Epox Epoy. Yan, sino si Batok dito? Si Modern yan, no? Yan, Bawi Terovania, kaya yan, from Nika. It's 2 versus 2, we have Sai and Troa versus Jollibee and Adobo. Adobong Jollibee.
Mission failed. Global Risk wins.
With a nice double kill from Jollibee. Mukhang masaya si Jollibee ngayon. We have 1 point for Terovania.
Flash bomb. Flash bomb. Flash bomb. Flash bomb.
We have Nietz with a kill and a double kill from Adobo. Last one standing is Modern on the way to the A side.
Mission failed. Global Risk wins.
Patay sa shutter. We have 1 point again for Terovania.
A site. Let's do this.
So
Smoking
let's
grenade.
take a look at the
Smoking
stats of our teams. As you can see, Troa ahead of G1, that's a sniper. And 5-0 for the 6th man of Terovania, that's Adobo. Mukhang gigil si Adobo ngayon with 6-1. Diba? Tambak sa first map. Gigil nyo ako.
Bomb has been planted at A site. Fire in the hole.
We have 1 kill from Angjay. Last one standing. Nietz here at the A site. Let's wait for Nietz here to defuse the bomb. Kaso mukhang nasa control room itong si Angjay throwing a flash bomb.
Mission success.
We have 1
Blacklist
point
wins.
for ACG.
Move. Fire in the hole. Smoking grenade.
2
Smoking
minutes and
grenade.
13 seconds remaining.
Fire in the hole.
So we have the captain of Terovania here at the control room on the way to the woods. And is now on the
Fire in
shutter.
the hole. Flash bomb.
G1 Modern getting the first kill, followed by Sai with the double kill. Last 2 players, and last one, Adobo here at the mechanic room on the way sa LR with 1 kill. Going on top of the 2F. Pagtanim nga si Troa ng bomba at the A site. Ayan. Galingan nyo. Bahay at lupa nakataya sa inyo. Go ACG. From John Brian Tesorero. Ba mayaman to? Pumupusta ng bahay at lupa.
Fire in the hole! Flash bomb!
You have Adobo trying to defuse the C4.
Mission success. Blacklist win.
With a kill coming from Troa, it's already a tie with 2. Ayan, face reveal. Wala akong webcam
Smoking
ngayon.
grenade!
Okay na yung
Fire in
picture.
the hole! Flash bomb!
And so looking here at the segregation of our players, we have 2 players at the B site, 1 at the A site, and 1 guarding the entrance of the A. And that's for the defense
Smoking bomb!
side.
Smoking bomb!
Ayan. Ang lakas ko naman daw, kita ko lahat. Ganun talaga.
Fire in
Hindi
the
ko naman
hole!
nakikita lahat kasi siya lang naman yung nakikita ko. So it's 5 versus 5 still with 1 minute and 45 seconds on the timer. Ayan. Adobo, idol ko from Sim Dardiel Uzi.
Fire in the hole! Flash bomb!
Sniper team here at the control room. So nakapwesto na sa CR. Still have 5 members of Terrovania present. Last one standing, we have Modern at the A site. Boy Batok, last one. Let's see kung kaya ba niya mag-clutch ng tatlo.
Mission fail.
We have 1
Global
point
risk
again for Terrovania. It's already 2-3 as a score.
win. Move! Flash bomb! Flash bomb! Fire in the hole! Flash bomb!
3 players of G1 at the entrance of the woods. Last one standing, Modern. Nag-iisa na naman si Boy Batok with a double kill. Taking a look at the frags of our players. Modern with most of the kills for G1. And Adobo for War Gods. Mukhang bawing-bawi si Adobo ngayon. Yan, masyado na daw kasing maasim kanina.
Fire in the hole! Flash bomb!
Go Adobo! Hindi ka mapapans!
Fire in the hole!
Bumili ka! Mga ganyang linyahan, mga ganyang banat. 3 versus 5. Throw here at the red smoke on the way to the response site of the team. And we have Modern. Ako, nakita si Modern. Last one standing. Throw up for G1. It's 5 versus 1. 1 point going to Terrovania. Score is now 2-5.
Let's do this. Flash bomb! Flash bomb! Fire in the hole!
Now we have Kimmy here at the MR going to the response site of the blacklist. Last one standing for the global risk.
Bomb has been planted at A site.
The bomb already planted on the A site. Let's see kung kaya ba niya mag-clutch ng dalawa. 31 seconds remaining on the timer. Medyo mahirap ang sitwasyon dahil dalawa. We have 1 headshot and 1 more to go. With a nice kill from Kimmy, let's just wait for Kimmy here to defuse the C4.
Bomb has been defused.
Score is now 2-6 in favor of Terrovania.
Move out now. Flash bomb.
So taking a look at the stats of the players. have Sai on the entrance of the woods.
Fire in the hole! Flash bomb!
Samantalang nakaset up na nga itong si Modern at si Trowa sa vent. Tingnan natin kung may magbabalakbang sumilip dito sa vent. Tulad nung kanina, di ba? Napasilip lang si Nets. Ay, ang bilis ng kamay.
Smoking grenade!
So 1 minute and 23
B-site.
seconds.
B-site. B-site. Smoking grenade! Site. Fire in the hole!
The 3 versus 4. And now going to 3 versus 3. Recon here on the way to the B side. Last one standing, RJ and Elmar. Last one is the captain of Terrovania. Tignan natin kung magsi-6-3 na ba to or mag-2-2-7. Medyo mapipit-pit ka dyan sa shutter. We have a score of 6-3.
Smoking bomb!
So, of course, changing of positions, we now have G1 AC Gaming on the Global Risk.
Smoking bomb!
And of course, War Gods Terrovania on the Blacklist. Ayan. So, of course, with the score of 6-3, we already had 6 points for War Gods Terro and 3 points for G1 ACG. So, let's show the previous score. Ayan, nakabitaw na sila.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Smoking bomb!
Ayan. So, 6-3. So, we have one member down already. That's RJ for Terrovania. And 2 men down going to ACG with a double kill from Adobo. Mukhang nagbabakbakan na sila dito sa B-site habang si Johnny. Ayan, dumating na ang body niya. So Adobo here still on the B-site. Pumalya ang bomba ni Modern. That's Modern versus Adobo. We have 1 point for War Gods.
Keep going and stay strong, team!
Keep going and stay strong.
Smoking bomb!
Sabi nga naman ni Mocha. Nice daw, Adobo. Adobong batok. Wow. Wow. Take a look here at Ang Jae. Here at the missile of the B site. So, medyo common na rin yung pwestong to kahapon. I'm not sure kung dito nakapwesto si... Not sure kung si Jamero ata ang pumipwesto dito sa 2F. Diba? May team kahapon na mahilig pumwesto sa 2F eh. So, Troa, the sniper of G1. With a headshot from Troa. Last one standing, we have RJ who is still in the woods. We have 1 point going to ACG. The score is now 7-4.
Move out now.
Shoutouts to CFNA.
Smoking bomb.
Yan. What's CFNA? Is that CF North America or
Flash bomb.
clan nyo yan sa CFPH?
Excellent.
So we still have 4 players left for both of the teams.
A site. A site.
Yan. 7-4. Last 3. Terovania from Shindariel.
Double kill.
We have a double kill coming from Sai. Yan. Papasok na si Adobo sa woods. On the way on the A site. Troa is on the way to the mid. Medyo sandwich dito si Adobo. Last one standing, we have for Terovania who is on low HP already. That's 10 HP left. Medyo dihado na sa HP itong si Kimi. Kimi Damuko girl. So we have 1 kill from Kimi with a nice shot right there. Still, we have Troa. Tingnan natin kung saang entrance papasok si Troa. Throwing a bomb. So mukhang may balak umikot itong si Kimi. While Troa is still here at the woods. Diba? Naka-mini skirt pa. Throw with 100 HP. Still, mas lamang. Mukhang may advantage ng konti itong si Troa kay Kimi.
Mission fail. Global risk.
We have 1 point again for ACG. The score is now 7-5.
Move. Move. Fire in the hole. Smoking grenade. Flash bomb. Fire in the hole. Smoking grenade. A site.
2 minutes and 10 seconds. Let's take a look at the stats of our teams. We have Kimi and Troa as the ace players for both
Smoking grenade.
groups.
Flash bomb. Smoking grenade. I need
May
assistance.
kapa pa. Meron pa siyang kapa. So 4 versus 3, last 2 players. And last one is Troa. We have 1 point again for War Gods.
Bomb has been planted.
Score is now 8-5 in favor of the Blacklist.
A site.
Modern here on the way on the A site. At mukhang nagbabalak ngang mag-rush. Mukhang tama ang kutob ni Modern.
Fire in the hole. Flash bomb.
It's a 4 versus 4. And now 2 versus 2. And last one is Ang Jae. We have Jollibee
Mission success. Nice blacklist win.
without even planting the
Bomb has been
C4.
planted. A
G1 are all gone. Ayan, so last 1 point for Terrovania to conquer the second map.
Fire in the hole.
Sai here, papunta ng A site.
Smoking bomb.
Let's take a look at the map.
Fire in the hole.
It's 2 minutes on the timer. We have RJ on the way to the A site while Sai is waiting on the A site. At andito naman ang sniper ng G1 sa passage.
Smoking bomb. Affirmative.
With a nice shot from Troa. Grabe, parang walang scope na naganap.
Fire in the hole.
Walang scope na nangyari. It's 3 versus 3. Last 2 players, Jollibee and RJ. And now going to 2 versus 2. Again, last 1 point for Terrovania to proceed with the second map.
Bomb has been planted at B
With the
site.
bomb already planted on the B side. So 1 versus 1. Let's wait for Ang J to defuse the C4.
Bomb has been defused.
So it's not yet over. We have 1 point added to the global risk. Kaya ang punto natin ngayon ay 9-6. Still in favor of Terrovania. 3 puntos pa ang kailangan ni ATG para mag-tie.
Fire in the hole. Flash bomb. Smoking
Jollibee
grenade.
and Kimi we have here on the MR. On the way sa LR.
Team, hold position.
3 players already down for War Gods. Last 2 players, we have Adobo and Niet. Grabing silipan yan. Done by Niet. So we still have Modern here guarding the B site. Together with Ang J.
B site. Fire in the hole.
Still, it's a 4 versus 2 situation. We still have a sniper here with War Gods. Samantalang wala na ang sniper ng G1.
Flash bomb.
We have 1 kill going to Nets. So, dahil naka-snipe mode nga tong si Nets, kailangan talaga pag may dumaan, mapitas na. Kundi lugi. Lugi sa rat-rat.
Mission fail.
That's 1
Global
point
risk
again
win.
for G1. Standing is now 9-7.
Let's do this. Smoking bomb. Fire in the hole. Smoking bomb. Smoking bomb. Hold position. Fire in the hole. Flash bomb.
So we have Recon guarding
A site.
the entrance of the A site.
A site.
So looking at the setup, we have 2 players on the B site and 2 guards on the A site. Troa is down with a kill coming from the captain of Tero. A moment of silence for everyone. Samantalang andito si Sai sa A site. We have 1 kill going to RJ as well. That's already 2 kills. And 1 from Angjay. It's a 2 versus 2. Modern and Angjay still in good condition as you can see with their HPs. That's still 100. Samantalang katiting na lang ang HP nito ni Captain.
Bomb has been planted at A
The bomb already planted on the A site. Mukhang si RJ pa ang may balak pumuronta. 28 seconds remaining. Last one standing. Let's wait for G1 ACG to defuse the C4. Score is now 9-8.
Move out now. Flash bomb. Fire in the hole. Smoking grenade.
So it's 5 versus 5. We're on our 9th game. And so of course guys, kung sakaling mag-tie man to, we will be having a tiebreaker, of course. That's a set of 6 rounds.
Flash bomb.
Angjay here at the 2F. First one down is Modern, followed by Angjay and Recon. It's now 3 versus 3. Jollibee with 7 HP left. And now going to 2 versus 2. RJ and Kimmy. Last 2 players for Terravania. And Sai and Teroa. We have brothers for WGT. And former Parax for G1. Last one standing is Sai. Still here at the center road. Let's see kung kaya ba mag-clutch ni Sai ng dalawa. With a headshot from Sai. Last one standing. Kimmy versus Sai. 32 seconds remaining. We have 1 kill from Kimmy. Congratulations, Wargods Terravania, for conquering the second map. Of course, we'll be having our next game. Let's take a look again at the match schedules. So next match, we'll be having I5 WTK versus Pacific Quara. So yan, mukhang may tao pa din sa Mambol. Daan muna tayo sa Mambol bago tayo magsimula. So, pili tayo ng isa. May
Mataba.
buhay pa ba?
Michael,
Ay,
Michael,
mataba
Michael.
ba?
Wara ko ba?
So, roommate,
Mayabang
roommate,
niyang
roommate.
high five eh.
Wara. Anakis ko yung mga yan eh.
Mukhang may side comments na sila sa next match.
Ang room? Room 8, room 8.
Pride Matador.
Pride Matador 8.
And so, pili tayo ng isa. Tingnan natin kung sino bang pwede nating piliin.
Lagay niyo ulay team. Ulitan. Ulitan. Ulitan ulay team tayo.
Wala.
Yan, mukha namang active tong dalaw.
Laro muna.
May buhay pa ba?
Ulay team.
Nakamute, nakamute pala ako. Ang galing naman. Kaya ginawa ako nagsasalita.
Oh, yan.
Ay, Ate Juanita.
Hi.
Isa-isa lang, guys.
Ay,
Ulay.
isa-isa lang.
Sabay-sabay kayo
Oh,
magsalita.
o, pili naman tayo ng isa.
Tapos sa ulay team.
Ulay.
Panita. Madam. Pasyarot ka sa ulay team.
Bumayin po yun.
So while we are waiting for I5, WTK, and Pacific Wara, so magbibigay ako ng password sa isang
Laro tayo, lab.
player sa Mumble.
Okay.
Ayan, tingnan natin. Ayan, so wala pa namang room.
Sana ako. Sana ako.
Sali ako.
May pumasok na Elder.
Sa Brian dito. Ang sisig show.
Psst, mamaya.
Pasok
Ba't ako lang mag-isa dito?